We've just acquired this Ford Mondeo Titanium X Sport Estate. It's absolutely fantastic condition. It's the facelift model. It's got front and rear park distance control, upgraded anthracite alloy wheels, full body styling kit including side skirts, rear diffuser, high level rear spoiler, rear parking sensors there. These have a huge boot space. As you can see, it's got the load cover. Boot space is in absolute superb condition. This model comes with the limited edition half leather Alcantara with red stitched piping on the seats. Got obviously electric windows, electric mirrors, power fold mirrors, auto headlights. Got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, air conditioning. The car in no way reflects its age or mileage, drives absolutely spot on. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including warranty packages, finance packages and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.